So now we are receiving the first visuals of this health ministry meeting, which is underway. There are many officials in that, not just health ministry, but also drug regulators. State drug regulators are also over there. This is the picture that you see from inside the meeting, where the health ministry officials are being briefed about this killer cough syrup and its impact. Who are the people who've been affected? And with us continues to be India Today's Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, how important is this meeting? Because finally, the problem that was existing in multiple states, a note has been taken by the Union Ministry as well.
Well, absolutely. The Union Ministry has taken a cognizance on the deaths that have been triggered due to cold rift. We are seeing a crackdown because already Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh have banned cold rift. We are also seeing the CDSO writing to Tamil Nadu drug controllers to ensure that, there is strict action taken against the manufacturer concerned. But clearly what we're right now witnessing, this meeting per se, it's important because to monitor the quality of drugs and how and when and what are the kind of cough syrups that needs to be issued, because composition comes into the factor. All these things are right now the key highlights of that meeting. Those visuals that we see on our screen where the Union Health Secretary is addressing all the state health secretaries and the drug controllers, because they need to tighten their grounds in ensuring that there's no slip, because clearly what we're seeing right now, with days to come, more and more deaths are being reported because of contamination in the cold rift cough syrup. That's the reason we see the health ministry, the central body, take cognizance of the matter, and this is why the crucial meeting is under its way. Once the meeting concludes, we will see a press release which will follow, which will probably hold more clearer directives on how and what the states should be doing so far as monitoring the quality of drugs are concerned and on the rationale of prescribing cough syrups.
Right, Shreya, do tell us how this entire issue is also concerning, because the company that produced these cough syrups, manufactured them, it seems like there were earlier allegations as well. So it went under the radar. And currently, what kind of action is going on as far as that particular manufacturing unit is concerned?
Well, this is precisely the reason we saw the drug controller also being taken to task. He was removed when it comes to the oversight that happened on their part, or whether this was a colluding of multiple officials. That is something that the larger probe or investigation will suggest. So far, the Tamil Nadu FDA is concerned, they will have to crack down on the manufacturer, is what we're given to understand. Shishan Pharmaceuticals, their manufacturing units, however, spread over multiple places in Madhya Pradesh. Kesan was responsible for it. So all these people right now will definitely face the music, but we're already seeing the doctor who had prescribed the cough syrups arrested in Chhindwara, the middleman, because what we do understand that when a drug comes into the market, it's also the medical representatives who also bring these drugs to the doctors and then they prescribe it further. Whether there was any kind of bribing involved in the matter, whether there was any kind of deliberate oversight that was, skipped upon, all these things will be investigated. But clearly, we will get some more clarity once the meeting ends and once that information trickles down from the Union Health Ministry on what are the directives that were issued to the states, because we still do not know how large and wide the contamination of the cold rift cough syrup might have caused, because as we were talking today, we've just reported two more deaths that have come in from Betul in Madhya Pradesh.
Right. Thank you, Shreya, for all those details. So clearly a very concerning news. Parents concerned because medicine that is supposed to keep you healthy is now taking lives.